I'm happy to present Xbees, the newest generation of our communication platform. We designed Xbees with a purpose to help companies manage their leads and drive more sales through better customer service. Let's see what we have under the hood here. 7 years ago, we developed the first WebRTC-based unified communications platform. Wildix was the first vendor to see this technology's potential and to believe in it. Today, every other unified communication vendor declares support for WebRTC. Competitors align themselves to this new standard. To stay ahead, we must move on. Our new platform is built on the foundation of the award-winning WMS5 and our 7 years of experience with WebRTC, but it's all packed with new technologies. I'll pass the ball to Victor Schenk, WebRTC Kite and Xbees product manager.
Xbees has a completely new user interface built on React, one of the most powerful and fast libraries for building cross-platform applications. The product is now mobile-first. It comes with React native apps, both for Android and iOS, with the same set of features and consistent user experience for all platforms, thanks to a shared codebase. React provides the fastest time to market for new features. Each feature can be instantly integrated across all platforms. Let's see how efficient Xbees is at driving sales. There are many web chat applications available on the market, but they will not help your sales to skyrocket. Here's why. The first reason, you can't actually know who is reaching out to you on your website. With Xbees, you can always be sure who is reaching out to you, whether it's a new website visitor, a qualified lead, or a paying customer. Secondly, forget about your clients explaining their questions over and over again. The system will always recognize the client and put them in contact with the same person or team they were previously in touch with. For that, we rely on Amazon Cognito, the most powerful service for user identification and access control. Back to Elena.
Let's look at the second problem with the most web chat apps. It's always a website visitor who starts the session. As a sales rep, how are you supposed to close deals if you can't get hold of your leads once they close the chat window? In Xbees, a sales rep can follow up with the lead later on right from the chat and be sure that the message will reach them via the web or through the free Xbees mobile app, which is available for all the end customers. Xbees keeps track of all your previous interactions with customers and it natively integrates with Salesforce, the #1 CRM in the world. Now on to the third problem. When you're speaking to a customer about a complex project, you may need to involve several people from both sides. With Xbees, you can add more people to a chat with an external person. Moreover, our external user can invite people in as well. In this way, you can have all the decision makers in one place in no time. In addition, you can instantly move everyone from that chat room to a web conference. Just think how much faster would you be able to close your deals now. But then we find another difficulty. When you have to set up a meeting, it takes too long to find a time slot that suits both the sales rep and the customer. But thanks to the integration with calendars, external users can now choose a time slot and book a meeting with the sales rep on their own. Back to Victor.
Now, let's explore our new group chat platform and see how it can help you to keep your business communications lean and swift. There is a simple and globally available search option, and you can use it across all of your conversations. Say goodbye to scrolling up again and again, loading endless pages of chat history. You can use emojis as reactions to messages in group chats to express yourself and save your typing skills for more urgent matters. Forward chat messages to other people and groups. Use the quote feature when you want to reply to a specific message in the group chat. And of course, Xbees allows you to edit and delete your messages should you send one by mistake. Okay, let's talk about notifications. We all hate to be distracted. In fact, interruptions have a proven negative impact on your productivity. Now with Xbees, you can mute specific chats and be notified only once you are mentioned. Yes, we have also built the tagging feature. It really shines when you need to draw the attention of a particular person or group. And finally, Xbees will introduce the new feature called Channels, which is indispensable when you want to broadcast your content to a group of people. Just imagine updating your client base on a new product or informing them about a promo with just a few clicks. Back to Elena.
Up to this moment, we discussed the value that this new release brings to your customers, but it also has some amazing news for you as a Wildix partner and in particular for your tech teams. Xbees has a completely different approach to managing user passwords. Users can create and reset their passwords on their own and in full security using their mobile number or their email. As a result, there will be fewer headaches for the system administrators and increased security for the entire organization. I have one more update for you. We all know how important it is to keep systems up to date. Now you can forget about having to upgrade your customers' systems. This is no longer your problem. Xbees relieves you from this pain. All of your customer systems will always run the latest Xbees version.